As you know, sectors can also be divided into two parts as organized and unorganized sector. Now, organized sector covers those enterprises or places of work where the terms of employment are regular and people have assured work. These enterprises are registered by the government and have to follow its rules and regulations, which are given in various laws such as the Factories Act, Minimum Wages Act. Workers get several benefits from the employers like paid leave, payment during holidays, provident fund, pensions, gratuity, medical benefits, etc. On the other hand, unorganized sector is characterized by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government. There are rules and regulations, but these are not followed. Jobs here are low paid and often not regular. There is no provision for overtime, paid leave, holidays, leave due to sickness, etc. Now, the situation of the workers who are working in the unorganized sector has to be taken care of. Now, what is the condition of these workers? What situation they work in through? Workers working in the unorganized sector in the rural areas like landless agricultural laborers, small and marginal farmers, and different artisans can be helped in a number of ways. The small marginal farmers, which form nearly 80% of the rural households, should be given adequate facilities for timely delivery of seeds, agricultural inputs, credit, storage facilities, and marketing outlets. Similarly, in the urban areas, unorganized sector comprises mainly of workers in small scale industries, casual workers in construction, trade and transport, etc. And those who work as street vendors, headload workers, rag pickers, etc. Small scale industry needs government support for procuring raw material and marketing of their output. Casual workers in both rural and urban areas should be given full protection against exploitation by the rich landlords and the factory owners.